Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by preparing the iPad and pencil so Scribble works reliably. First, make sure your iPad is updated to a supported iPad OS release. This fixes recognition bugs. Then pair your Apple Pencil, and once paired, open Settings, navigate to Apple Pencil and enable Scribble. Also check language and handwriting settings so the system matches your style. Once done, practice short sketches in Notes to confirm input, because confirming basic recognition now saves time later when you write in apps. Now use Scribble inside apps like Notes, Mail, or Safari. Tap a text field with the pencil to place the cursor and write naturally. The system converts ink to type text as you pause. Learn gestures. Scratch through a word to delete it and circle to select a phrase. Press and hold to convert selection to type text. Make sure to switch between handwriting and the on-screen keyboard when you need precise editing. Once the text is converted, you can copy and paste it into other apps or documents. Finish by optimizing and troubleshooting so Scribble stays useful. If recognition feels off, slow your writing and increase contrast by using a darker ink color or bolder strokes. These changes help the engine read your letters. If problems persist, restart the iPad, unpair and repair the pencil, or toggle Scribble off and on in settings. And remember, Scribble is for text. Use pressure and tilt for drawing, but rely on drawing tools when you need precise artistry. If all else fails, reset handwriting settings.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.